Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC U0146 refers to a FAC fan, malfunction specifically affecting the transmission control module, or TCM, as located within the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. F-FAN stands for Flexible Controller Area Network, which is integral for communication within the vehicle's electronic systems. The CAN gateway acts as the communication bridge that helps the TCM transmit and receive information regarding various operations, ensuring smooth vehicle functionality. The problem is diagnosed when the TCM, responsible for managing the vehicle's transmission, detects disruptions in signal transmission through the F-FAN lines after a specified duration. This situation can lead to adverse effects, such as shifts in the transmission being erratic or impossible, indicated by the blinking shift position indicator, and the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, or MIL. Understanding this code is vital for effective troubleshooting and repairs, and it necessitates a comprehensive approach to diagnosing the underlying causes. The components intricately involved in DTC U0146 include the Transmission Control Module, TCM, the CAN gateway, and the F-CAN circuits, which consist of multiple lines such as F-CAN AH and F-CAN AL. The TCM plays a crucial role in controlling automatic transmission function, and it primarily communicates with various control modules through the CAN network. The CAN gateway is positioned strategically within the vehicle and facilitates seamless information exchange among different electronic control modules. F-CAN lines are typically located under the dash and run throughout the vehicle to connect various systems. When the TCM does not receive information from the CAN via these F-CAN lines, or when it receives abnormal data repeatedly, it flags this issue by storing the DTC. This malfunction may prevent proper operation of the transmission, showcasing the importance of ensuring these channels remain intact and functional. Diagnosing the problem requires thorough examination of these interconnected components to restore proper communication. Several potential causes lead to DTC U0146, which denote malfunctions within the F-CAN circuitry or related systems. One primary cause may be the F-CAN circuit lines being open, either the AH or AL line, which means that breaks in the wiring prevent signal transmission. Alternatively, there could be a short to ground in either F-CAN line, causing erroneous data to be sent or received. This condition leads the TCM to misunderstand the current state of vehicle operation. Additionally, issues might arise from an internal failure within the CAN gateway itself, which may include fuse failures that disrupt its functionality. Lastly, a malfunction within the TCM's internal circuitry can also trigger this DTC, where the module itself fails to process or interpret signals correctly. Addressing these possible causes requires precise inspection, making it essential to systematically check the circuits and components involved. The symptoms associated with DTC U0146 manifest as clear indicators of malfunction within the vehicle's operational systems. The most apparent symptom is the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, or MIL, which signals that the vehicle's computer has detected a problem that requires attention. In conjunction with this, the shift position indicator may begin to blink, indicating that the transmission is experiencing issues executing proper gear shifts. This blinking often correlates with erratic behavior of the transmission itself, which may not shift smoothly or at all. These symptoms can lead to a frustrating driving experience, as they directly affect how the vehicle operates and shifts gears. Immediate action is necessary, as persistent issues may lead to further complications within the transmission system. Recognizing these symptoms serves as an early warning sign, prompting prompt diagnostic and repair measures to ensure the vehicle remains reliable and functional. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC U0146, it is essential to check the continuity of the FCAN circuitry. This includes verifying the FCAN AH and FCAN AL lines for any breaks or disconnections. Utilizing a multimeter or an appropriate diagnostic tool, one should measure the resistance and ensure that the circuit is complete. An open circuit will show infinite resistance, indicating a disconnection that could cause the TCM not to receive signals. Any identified damage or breaks in the wiring should be replaced or repaired to restore proper functionality. This step is crucial, as it can lead to faster diagnostics of the problem, confirming if the circuitry itself is responsible for the DTC being triggered. After verification, if the circuit shows continuity, the technician can proceed to further checks involving the CAN gateway and related systems. The second troubleshooting step involves inspecting the FCAN circuit for any shorts to ground. A short to ground means that an unintended electrical connection has created a direct pathway from the circuit to the ground, which can lead to erroneous signals being sent to the TCM. Technicians must methodically check the FCAN H and AL lines for any signs of exposure or damage that could cause such a short. This inspection typically involves a thorough visual examination, as well as electrical testing using a multimeter to detect any unusual resistance readings. If a short is found, fixing it may require replacing sections of the wire or repairing the damaged insulation. Correcting any shorts to ground is vital to ensure accurate communication between the CAN components, preventing continuous triggering of the DTC in the future. Once resolved, retest the circuits to confirm the malfunction indicator does not persist. In the third troubleshooting step, it's essential to evaluate the functioning of the CAN gateway, which serves as the communication hub for all control modules. This process involves checking for internal failures that may be causing the TCM to receive faulty or no data at all. Technicians should inspect the CAN gateway for any visible damage as well as electronic malfunctions that might impede its operations. Consulting the vehicle's service manual can guide further diagnostic processes and tests specific to the CAN gateway's functioning. If internal circuit failures are detected, addressing these issues usually means replacing the gateway unit. It's crucial to confirm that the CAN gateway is functioning properly. Otherwise, all related communication and data transmission will continue to be erratic, which can lead to more significant operational issues down the line. After repairs, it is advisable to clear the DTC codes and perform a road test to confirm resolution. The fourth troubleshooting step focuses on testing the operation of the transmission control module, or TCM, itself. After verifying the FCAN circuitry and checking the CAN gateway, the integrity and functionality of the TCM must be confirmed. This includes ensuring that the module is receiving accurate signals from the CAN gateway and that it is capable of processing those signals effectively. Diagnostic equipment may be utilized to assess the TCM's response to specific inputs and monitor its real-time performance metrics. If the TCM is not functioning correctly, it may require reprogramming or, in some situations, complete replacement. Proper operation of the TCM is vital for smooth gear shifting and overall transmission performance. Hence, extensive testing in this stage can identify issues that may have been overlooked. Should the TCM be functioning appropriately, the technician may need to reset any stored DTCs and perform a comprehensive system check to verify that everything operates as intended. After completing the necessary repairs, conducting a final verification is essential to ensure that the issues related to DTC U0146 have been resolved. This process starts with confirming that all repair steps taken have been executed effectively and that no underlying issues remain. Cycling the ignition, which involves turning the vehicle off and then back on, helps the vehicle's computer system reset and recognize that the problems have been addressed. Following this, the next step is to clear any DTCs stored within the system, utilizing a diagnostic scan tool to remove all fault codes. Once cleared, taking the vehicle for a test drive can help to determine if the issues persist or if the repairs have been successful. Monitoring the performance during the test drive will confirm the reliability of the system, indicating that the MIL remains off and the shift indicator operates correctly. This verification process ensures the vehicle avoids future DTC occurrences while confirming restoration to optimal performance levels. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding future occurrences of DTC U0146 after repairs have been made. Regularly inspecting the wiring and connections in the FCAN circuit can help identify wear and tear or potential issues before they escalate into significant failures. Additionally, checking the health of the CAN system as part of routine diagnostics can ensure that all modules are communicating effectively and that any emerging faults are detected early on. Keeping the transmission control module updated with the latest software can improve its performance and reliability, ultimately supporting the vehicle's efficient operation. Maintaining proper conditions for these electronic systems not only enhances overall functionality, but significantly minimizes the risk of further malfunctions. As a preventive measure, ensuring that all electrical connections are secure and free from corrosion will also contribute to long-term reliability of the vehicle systems. In conclusion, understanding DTC U0146 and its implications is vital for maintaining the Honda Civics performance from 2016 to 2021. This DTC, which indicates a FCAN malfunction involving the transmission control module, affects critical vehicle operations, which requires immediate attention and systematic troubleshooting. Each step, from checking FCAN circuit continuity to verifying TCM operation, serves to isolate and rectify the issue effectively. Moreover, adopting preventive measures can significantly minimize the risk of future faults, leading to a more reliable driving experience. Upholding the vehicle's electronic system health is essential not only for the TCM functionality, but also for overall vehicle integrity. Ultimately, these practices contribute to ensuring that the vehicle remains in optimal condition, reinforcing safety and performance standards. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.